Go back. Go back.
Why?
I want to see you do it.
La, 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 la. Arches.
Huh?
It's over.
Huh?
Come on, let me shoot you.
It is.
Yeah.
Okay, I can see the red button.
Say something. Come on.
Ba, 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 ba.
La, 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 la.
So beautiful.
It is gorgeous.
What's today? Today's the 5th, 4th?
Yeah.
5th?
And we're gonna sing our theme song. La 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 la. See that bridge over there?
What bridge?
San Mateo Bridge. You see it?
Way down there?
Mm-hmm.
That bridge way down there?
Way.
This camera has great zoom, you know.
Yes, it does. I was doing zooming in and out.
And this island over here, this is the Bay Bridge, right?
Bay Bridge, yeah.
Which connects to Oakland.
Yeah, and that is called Treasure Island. And those hangars there that you see on the left, that's where Francis Ford Coppola and George Lucas are opening film studios. Hi, hello, 1, 2, 3, testing. Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So here we are at Coit Tower, and we just climbed Greenwich Street. And we saw the pretty houses and shit. And it's a monument to a big ship. Look, behind you. See how big?
Yeah, it's big.
Makes you wonder why it is in San Francisco. Anyway, it's one of the most beautiful views in the city, and it's a perfect day for it. So turn off and let's go. I'm gonna film you now. It's on?
So animated.
The sun is against you. This is the dance of the Coit Tower. Come on, Super Steven. Dance. Come on. La 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 la. Sing. Come on. How do you like it?
How do I like your love?
Oh yeah.
There's the sea lions where we went on Christmas Day.
They're sleeping now.
No, they're not.
Hey, do you think you'll die if you ever go to Alcatraz in a ferry? Would you be like throwing up all over?
Well, no, because that's almost the distance from Far Island.
Yeah, we should go, huh?
So tell us where we are.
We are seeing the Pacific. We are seeing the Pacific Ocean, and we're trooping mushrooms. Don't.
No,
I
you're
don't wanna
fine.
be filmed.
Okay, well, I'm not on you. Just talk, so it'll pick up the sound.
Whatever.
It's like Saturday, January.
What? 18?
Uh huh.
And we're seeing a sunset. in
Wow,
San
we've got a
Francisco.
ways to go for the sunset here.
Is this the sunset?
That's the sign.
That's where it sets.
Yeah, we're a bit early.
It's only 3. No, it sets by 4:30. 5.
Yeah, but duh. I don't know. It's very pretty.
What are you doing? No, stop.
I just